Hi, and thanks for choosing Virtru for Drive. Virtru offers end-to-end encryption for confidential, compliant, and seamless document collaboration. We're going to jump right into encrypting and decrypting sensitive files in Google Drive. We're in Google Drive with the Virtru for Drive Chrome browser plugin installed. I have an employee's personal information in a PDF that I need to encrypt before uploading it to Drive for our HR department's records. It's stored on my desktop, so I'll begin by uploading it to Drive. Virtru is embedded directly into Google Drive's existing workflows, so I'll just click New, then select Secure File Upload. I'll choose the PDF from my desktop and then click Open to upload. As soon as the upload begins, the blue highlight on the dialog box indicates that Virtru is working to encrypt the file before being uploaded to the cloud for end-to-end encryption. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see a Virtru icon on the file, indicating it is now encrypted. Just like the upload process, we've integrated Virtru's designs and icons into Drive's native experience so that you always know whether your files are protected. In cases where you already have sensitive files stored in Google Drive, Virtru facilitates secure collaboration with enhanced control and protection. For example, a development team needs to share a document containing sensitive IP with a contractor while preserving the file's sharing and version history. In this scenario, we'll encrypt the file in place. Simply right-click the file, then choose Encrypt in Place. Again, the dialog box with a blue highlight appears, indicating that Virtru for Drive has encrypted the file. If instead we want to just create an encrypted copy to share with the contractors, we'll right-click and select Encrypt and Copy. This preserves the original document and creates an encrypted copy as a new Drive file with its own version history. Along with end-to-end encryption, Virtru for Drive enables seamless access to secure documents. In this case, I've received an encrypted 1099 document from a contractor. Before sharing with the accounting department, I need to add a signature, so I'm going to download and decrypt the file. I'll right-click, then select Download and Decrypt. The file is decrypted, and I can make updates for accounting on my desktop as usual. Finally, I'm going to decrypt a spreadsheet with last quarter's earnings so I can edit the document before a finance committee meeting. I'm going to decrypt it in place, which preserves the original file's access privileges. I'll simply right-click and select Decrypt in Place, making the file accessible for edits. Just like with encryption, decrypting in place supports flexible, secure collaboration workflows. However, in some scenarios, it's preferable to keep the original version of the encrypted spreadsheet as is. In this case, I'll create an encrypted copy, then decrypt the copy. I'll right-click, then select Decrypt and Copy, giving me a new decrypted version of the document to work from. End-to-end file encryption and secure collaboration with Virtru for Drive is as simple as that.